Hi there! In this video, we'll show you how to quickly and easily add your quiz or any other item to your Wix website. Let's first make sure that our item is published. Then we go to the Share tab and choose Wix on the left-hand side. Now, we just need to copy the code to embed on our Wix site. Next, we open the Wix Editor and embed the code. I'll add a new section on our website to make sure my quiz is visible. We can change the section size by dragging the corner here. Now, we add an element. Choose Embed and Social, and then select Embed Code. When the window appears on the screen, just double-click and paste the code. Then, you need to click Update. We can now close the editor. Now, we see our quiz on our Wix site. To make sure everything looks right, we can move the quiz and change its size by dragging and dropping the corners. We will also adjust the section a bit to make sure the quiz fits. Again, we can move it so it's in the middle of the section. When that's done, we publish our site. Now, we can view it to check that everything looks good. Let's scroll down to see our quiz. We can see that it looks great on our site and works as expected. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy creating your items with Opinion Stage.